We're going to check out these two trades right here. Notice the durations are very high, a 6-minute trade and a 1-minute trade. Right in this section right here, this is about 40 seconds. Notice how you have a red bar down here and a green bar up here. That signifies how many ticks the market is moving. There is virtually no volatility, nor is there volume. This is an afternoon session. Volume and volatility are critical for momentum scalping. This is why the trade durations on these specific trades are so long. Let's see how I finesse it. Notice the top of this green box and the bottom of this green box. This is a high amount of delta. This is over 1,000 contracts that came in on the buy side. You can see it is bouncing off the top of the delta. That is a good sign for a potential long. However, we need multiple factors of support. We'll pan to the right and look at my 3-second chart. Notice there are 5 boxes overlapping. You can barely see them. It looks like a cluster. However, these are going to be abnormally high deltas. Generally, I'm looking for over 300 deltas. However, since the volatility and volume are so low, I'm settling for 150 deltas. Basically, I'm adjusting to the current market conditions. There could be a possible long right here. As we scroll to the right a little bit, I am long at 78.75. This is by no means a bad trade. This is actually pretty good. However, it does not work. I end up bailing on the trade for a point of loss. Let's continue to play, and what you're going to see me do is flip hit into a short position. Now I feel as though I've gotten into this short position a little bit early. I should have waited for the slightest pullback right here. Let's rewind a little bit. You have the 5 factors of support here. You can see there's heavy selling delta right here. Scrolling to the left on the 30-second chart, you can see we are breaching into this green box. They are accepting in here. This to me may warrant a potential short. What I'm going to attempt to do is ride the trade all the way to the bottom of the green box. The fact of the matter is, since we are going through a high convergence zone on the deltas, there's a high likelihood of a bigger than normal puke. This trade takes 6 minutes to pan out. There are 2 green boxes overlapping in this section on top of a red box. If you've noticed, I've deleted them earlier. Well, now we are getting 3 factors of support setting up right here. This is a good reason to continue the hold. Scrolling to the left to the 30-second chart, we can see that the green box now has a red box on top of it. This is another factor of support. Just as I thought, the market would puke down, especially as it was working through this zone, and I exit near the bottom of the screen box. If you'd like to learn more about my trading and listen to my daily narrations with timestamps of all my trades, as well as all my review processes and trade tags, check out coffee.com/fatcats of Wall Street. One of the best ways to learn how to trade, watch another trader do it live on the hard right edge.